Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to fix Marketplace on Facebook iPhone. Now pay attention. The most popular solution, okay, for this problem is update your app, okay? Open your app store, find Facebook and make your update, okay? Facebook release a lot of days, maybe 2 or 1 per week, okay? It's so awful, but here you can update your app. Now if your marketplace don't work now, okay, still have the problem, okay, you need maybe add your telephone number or your email, okay? Maybe you open your account with only your number, or you open your account only with your email. You need in your settings here, okay? Now let me a moment, here in the 3 lines and in your settings and sorry here I lost here settings and privacy settings account. In your personal information you need add your email and your telephone number, okay, because it's like a verify identity, okay? It's so important. Here you need add that information, okay? With that maybe you can fix your problem, and then you can make your post, okay? Update your post, sell your things, or rent your house, I don't know, okay? It's so easy. If you have any question, you can write in the comments in this video below. I try to answer you and help you, okay? This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.